drinks with goody, goody drinks with goody, goody. I know I'm gonna have that for the dance, but watch. By the 5th video, y'all gonna be doing it. So today's video is gonna be a daiquiri tutorial because a lot of you guys told me you want more daiquiri videos, and I kind of like making daiquiris, but I like making cocktails because I feel like I always spill cocktails. I never really spill a daiquiri. But today's video is gonna be the new Amsterdam Pink Whitney. Now I know this is old, but hear me out, y'all. I was broke in the summertime. I had no money. I couldn't buy this, okay? But I got me a little job now. I could buy liquor, you know. I could splurge a little bit. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a pink lemonade daiquiri the goodie way, because I already know you probably seen a bunch of videos of people remixing and making their own drinks, but you're not on their channel, you're on mine. So I'm gonna show you how to make my pink lemonade daiquiri. If you want to see how I made it, keep watching. Okay, first we're gonna crack this bad boy open. Well, it's not really a boy, I guess it's a girl, because it's pink. So we're gonna, we're gonna go a little crazy. We're gonna add 2 shots. We went a little crazy today. Why not? It's the weekend. I'm off work. I'm not doing nothing. Why not? Next, we're going to add about a 1/2 cup of master of mixes, sweet and sour. Because I want it to taste like pink lemonade. I don't want it to taste like, you know how you try like flavored vodka and it don't really taste like what it say it tastes like? I want it to taste like pink lemonade. So everything I'm going to put in here is going to have hints of lemonade and pink lemonade. That makes sense? So, yeah, a 1/2 cup of master mixes, sweet and sour, 2 shots of New Amsterdam Pink Whitney. I want my drink to be nice and strong. I'm currently going through some things. No, I'm not. I'm just alcoholic. So I'm going to add another shot of alcohol, but this time it's just going to be Pinnacle. Going through some things. I'm not. It's just the weekend. I want to be lit. But now we're going to add 4 cups of ice because I added all that liquor. You got to add enough ice so it doesn't be runny. So this is the first 2 cups, and I'm about to add the second. Okay, so here's me adding the second 2 cups of ice. Next, we're going to add some sugar because you want it to be sweet. So I'm only going to add a 1/2 cup of sugar because I don't want it to be too sweet. Sprinkle. Now we're going to add some Country Time lemonade. At Walmart, this is like, I'm about to say these are, but this is, I'm going to say $8.98 to be exact, because I buy the pink Jolly Rancher one, and I think I paid like $8.98 for it. So we're just going to add a scoop. You don't want to overpower it, so you're just going to add a scoop into your blender. Let me tell you, if you make drinks, buy this, man. Buy all your stuff big, because I'm telling you, I bought this in the summertime and I still have it, and it's about to be January. And I bought this in like May, June. I know I'm wither killing y'all because how I got my camera position, but I don't really want you to see me. I want you to see how I make these drinks, okay? Y'all know what I look like. Y'all know I'm hot Cheetoing over here, okay? Y'all know what I look like. I look like a hot Cheeto, okay? But I don't want y'all to see me. I want y'all to look at these drinks, okay? So right now we're going to blend it. So you're not going to be able to see me blend it because I got my camera position. But I'm going to show you how it looks. I'm going to hold my camera so you can see it. Hey guys, so this will be a re-edited video because the last video I had it just didn't work out for me. So right now you're just gonna cut up some lemons. Make sure that you get a real knife and not a cheap knife that I got from the dollar store. Make sure you take off the sticker after you wash the lemons. I know I'm not the only one who forget. So right now you're just going to cut up the lemons. Make it real cute for your drink. You see, I'm just showing you guys lemons I cut up. I would suggest buying 2 lemons because I ran out and I had to use the 2 ugly pieces to garnish my drink. So right now you just see me showing you my fish bowl that I get from the dollar store. I get all my stuff from the dollar store. That's my problem now. I'm cheap. So right now you just see me putting it on the side. Make sure it doesn't fall. It has to stay on the side of the glass in order for you to get that, you know, pop out fruit effect. I think that's what you call it. So yeah, make sure it's on the side. So right now you're just showing me that's on the, I'm just showing you guys it's on the side. And then you're going to pour your mixture in. Like that. And then you're going to add lemons again on the side. Make sure you have 2 lemons so you can garnish it and make it look all cute. Like how it was in my picture that I put on Instagram. I'm so mad I had to redo this video, but you know, it is what it is. So you're just going to pour it over. Make sure you don't over pour it or it's going to spill like mine's did. My drinks always spill because I always end up over pouring. And you're going to see me pour some out after I add the lemons on. Like you can see it's leaking now. So make sure you don't over pour. I suggest to use a spoon and not a blender because then this is going to happen. It's going to leak everywhere. So now you just see me pouring some out. It's just because I have a lot of ice. So you just see me pouring some out. Anyways, you guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading new content later on this week. If you like this drink, click the like and subscribe button. Bye, you guys.